TikTok USA ban bypass? Exclusive tutorial for 2025? Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting video. If TikTok has been banned in your region, don't panic, I've got a solution for you. In this video, I'll show you a brand new method to bypass the TikTok ban in the USA. It's simple, safe, and works perfectly on both iOS and Android. Make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let me quickly explain what we'll be doing. TikTok bans are usually based on regional restrictions, but by using a specialized plugin from appskeen.com, we can bypass these restrictions and restore full access. The best part? This method doesn't require a VPN or a computer. It's all done directly from your phone. First things first, open your browser and go to appskeen.com. Once you're there, look for the TikTok bypass tool. You can either search for TikTok bypass in the search bar or scroll down to the featured tools section. Click on it and you'll be taken to the plugins page. Once there, hit Start Installation to begin. Now here's where the magic happens. To activate the plugin, you'll need to complete 2 quick verification tasks. These are super easy. They might ask you to install a free app or watch a short video. Follow the instructions on each task carefully. For example, one task might require you to try out a new game for 30 seconds or complete a quick survey. This process ensures the plugin installs correctly and bypasses the ban effectively. It only takes a couple of minutes. Once the tasks are completed, the plugin will automatically activate. Open TikTok and give it a few seconds to load, and there you have it. You're back on TikTok, enjoying your favorite content just like before. If it doesn't work immediately, don't worry. Restart your app or phone, and it should be good to go. Here are a few extra tips to make sure everything runs smoothly. Use a reliable internet connection during the setup. Clear your app cache if you encounter any loading issues. These small steps can make a big difference in ensuring the bypass works seamlessly. And that's it. You're now back on TikTok, ready to scroll, share, and create. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Share this video with anyone struggling to access TikTok. They'll thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.